This is VC Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to disable autosave snaps on Snapchat. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Snapchat stands out among the sea of messaging platform for revolutionizing the way we communicate, introduce a novel concept for the time, setting photos for one time, previewing. Initially, this meant no saving picture and no replace. You get one chain to see the message and that was it. In this video, I will show you how to stop auto-save snaps on your Snapchat. It's very simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Snapchat. Now you can go to the settings by tap on the upper right corner here. Now you can just scroll down. You can just scroll down in here. And you can go to memories. You can just tap on memories. And in here on the save destination section, there is an option auto save my story snaps. By default, the setting is auto save to memories. But if you don't want your snap is automatically save to your memories, you can just choose on don't autosave. So when you post a snap to my story, Snapchat can't autosave your snap to your memories. It's very simple, right? So that is how to disable, how to stop Snapchat autosave your snap to your memories. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!